What's the meaning of air conditioning? Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Air conditioning refers to the process of altering the properties of air, primarily temperature and humidity, to more comfortable conditions for humans and animals. It works by removing heat and moisture from indoor air through a refrigeration cycle, and then circulating the cooled, dehumidified air back into the space. The result is a more comfortable living or working environment, with better air quality, fewer allergens, and reduced risk of heatstroke or dehydration. Air conditioning has become an essential part of modern life, providing relief from hot, humid, or polluted outdoor environments.